Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable billing on a Google Cloud project. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Cloud console. Make sure you are logged in with your Google account. Once the console loads, look at the top of the screen. You will see the project selector there. Click on it and choose the project where you want to enable billing. If you only have one project, it may already be selected. Next, move your cursor to the left side of the screen and open the main menu. Scroll down the menu until you find the option called Billing. Click on Billing to open the billing page for your project. On this page, look for the option that says Link a billing account. Click on this option to continue. After that, click on Create Billing Account to start the setup. Now you will be asked to select your country and confirm your account. Choose the correct country and account option, then click Agree and Continue. After that, you will be asked to enter your billing details. Fill in your full name and address carefully. Then add a payment method such as a credit card or debit card. Make sure all information is correct before moving on. Once you finish entering the payment details, submit the form. Google will process the information, and after a short moment, billing will be enabled on your Google Cloud project. Thanks for watching.